your bank account does not need to cry for your bag to look expensive. Building a designer bag collection is honestly less about the logo and more about finding pieces with real craftsmanship, timeless shapes, and materials that age well. The good news is there's a whole world of contemporary and mid-range designer brands doing exactly that right now. These bags give you the leather quality, the refined hardware, and the elevated look without wrecking your budget. So if you've got expensive taste but a realistic wallet, this list is for you. And stick around, because the number one pick is one people underestimate constantly. Kicking things off at number 10, we've got the Coach Tabby. And honestly, this bag earns its spot because it proves heritage brands can still make something that feels fresh. Coach has been working with leather since 1941, and that experience shows in the Tabby's structured shape and buttery smooth finish. It comes in glove-tanned leather with a signature turn, lock closure, and you'll find sizes ranging from a small crossbody to a roomier shoulder version. Price-wise, you're looking at around $350 to $450, depending on size and finish, which puts it firmly in beginner territory. Color options run from classic black and saddle tan to seasonal pastels. So there's flexibility whether you want something safe or something with a little personality. This one's best suited for someone buying their very first designer bag, since it's forgiving, durable, and won't feel dated in 5 years. Moving up to number 9 is the Kate Spade Knot. And what makes this one stand out is that twisted hardware detail on the front. It's small, but it instantly elevates the whole silhouette. The bag is made from pebbled leather, which is a smart choice for beginners because it hides scratches and everyday wear far better than smooth leather does. Pricing typically falls between $300 and $400, and it comes in a satchel, crossbody, and even a wallet on a chain, so you can pick your functionality. Colors span from neutral camel and black to Kate Spade's playful pops of color, which is part of the brand's charm. This bag works especially well for younger professionals or anyone who wants their handbag to feel a little fun without sacrificing that put-together look. At number 8, Radley London doesn't get talked about enough in the States, but it deserves a spot here because of its old-world British craftsmanship. The Liverpool street style uses soft grain leather and has that quietly polished look that reads expensive without shouting about it. You're looking at a price range around $250 to $350, which is genuinely one of the more affordable entries on this list. It's available in totes, crossbodies, and shoulder bags with a color palette that leans toward rich burgundies, navy, and classic black. This bag is ideal for the minimalist who wants understated elegance over anything flashy, and it transitions really well from office to dinner without you having to switch bags. Sitting at number 7, and here's where a lot of beginners get confused, because Michael Kors has 2 tiers. The regular line is more accessible, but the Michael Kors collection line is where the real craftsmanship lives, using premium Italian leather and hand-finished edges. This tier runs closer to $500 to $600, so it's a step up in price, but still nowhere near true luxury pricing. Sizes range from compact top handles to larger totes, and the color options tend to favor rich jewel tones alongside the expected neutrals. This one is best for someone who's already dipped a toe into designer bags and wants to invest a bit more without jumping into 4-figure territory just yet. Landing at number 6, the Tory Burch Fleming is one of those bags that just feels instantly recognizable once you see the Double T logo turn lock. And there's a reason it's remained a bestseller for years. It's crafted from quilted leather with a soft, pillowy texture that genuinely feels luxurious in hand, and the chain strap adds a dressier element most beginner bags don't have. Price generally sits between $400 and $500, and it comes in convertible sizes, meaning you can wear it as a shoulder bag or double the strap for a crossbody. Color-wise, you get everything from classic black to seasonal metallics, which gives it some versatility. This bag is best suited for women who want something that moves easily from casual daytime looks into evening wear without needing a second bag. We're halfway there now, number 5, and Longchamp earns a spot here because the Le Pliage Cuir line takes the brand's famous nylon silhouette and rebuilds it entirely in leather. And the difference is honestly striking. The leather is soft, yet structured, and the foldable design means it's incredibly practical for travel, which a lot of other bags on this list simply aren't built for. Prices land around $400 to $470, and it's available in multiple sizes, from a small crossbody to a large weekender-style tote. The color range is genuinely impressive, spanning neutrals as well as bold seasonal shades. This one's a favorite among travelers and busy professionals who need a bag that can handle a packed schedule without losing its shape. Coming in at number 4, DeMellier is a newer name in the affordable luxury space, but the Montreal bag has quickly become a favorite because of its structured architectural shape. It's made from smooth calf leather with an interior suede lining, which is a small detail that instantly signals higher quality craftsmanship. Prices generally range from $450 to $550, and the bag comes in a few sizes, though the mini and midi versions tend to be the most popular. Color options lean towards sophisticated neutrals like taupe, black, and deep forest green, all of which qualify as timeless rather than trend-driven. This bag suits professionals and minimalists who want something sleek that doesn't scream for attention but still commands it. We're into the top 3 now, and Strathberry is a Scottish brand where the Crescent bag shows off some genuinely impressive craftsmanship for the price point, with hand-finished edges and a distinctive bar closure that's become the brand's signature. The leather is vegetable tanned, which not only feels premium, but actually improves in texture over time, something budget bags rarely offer. You're looking at roughly $400 to $600 depending on size, and it comes in mini, midi, and larger tote versions. Colors include rich burgundy, tan, and black, all classic choices that won't feel dated. This one is perfect for someone who wants a conversation starter piece, since the design is distinctive enough to stand out while still feeling refined and grown up. At number 2, Polène is a French brand that built its whole reputation on sculptural architectural silhouettes, and the numéro 1 is the piece that put them on the map. It's made from vegetable tanned leather that develops a gorgeous patina over time, which is genuinely part of the appeal for people who love that luxury look. Pricing sits around $350 to $450, making it one of the better value picks on this entire list, considering the design complexity involved. It comes in 3 sizes, from a petite crossbody to a roomier tote, and the color range includes both neutral tones and unexpected shades like terracotta and sage. This bag is best for the person who wants something artistic and unique, someone who'd rather own a piece that looks handcrafted than one that just has a recognizable logo. And here's the pick a lot of people sleep on, the Mansur Gavriel Bucket Bag. And honestly, it deserves the top spot, because it basically started the whole minimalist luxury movement back in 2013. The vegetable tanned Italian leather is buttery soft, and the simple silhouette with the drawstring closure and interior pouch has genuinely stood the test of time without ever feeling trendy or dated. Prices range from about $450 to $600 depending on size, and you can choose between the mini, small, and large versions depending on how much you actually need to carry. The colors are where this bag really shines though, since the 2-tone combinations, think black exterior with a bright interior lining, give it a playful edge most minimalist bags don't have. This one's ideal for literally everyone on this list, whether you're a first-time buyer, a minimalist, or someone who wants a bag that photographs beautifully and ages even better. Before you add all 10 of these to your cart, let's talk strategy for a second. When you're picking your first designer bag, always lean toward timeless colors like black, tan, or navy over whatever trendy shade is having a moment, because those neutral choices will actually get worn for years instead of sitting in your closet after one season. Think about cost per wear too. A $450 bag you use 3 times a week for 5 years is a much better investment than a $200 bag that only comes out for special occasions. And versatility matters more than people realize. A bag that can go from your office to a dinner date is always going to earn its price tag faster than something that only works for one specific outfit. If the budget is still tight, don't sleep on the pre-owned market either, since brands like Coach, Longchamp, and even Strathberry hold their value well and often show up gently used for a fraction of retail. So there you have it, 10 bags that prove you can absolutely build a designer collection with expensive taste and a realistic budget. Every single one of these brands is doing something different, whether it's craftsmanship, silhouette, or that instantly recognizable detail, but they all share that same commitment to quality over quick trends. If you remember nothing else from this list, remember that the best first bag isn't the most expensive one, it's the one you'll actually reach for every single day. So tell me, which one made your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.